How to make money on Freelancer as a social media influencer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelance.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills. So for example, if I was a business owner or an individual looking for a social media influencer, I would just come to the platform, click on hire freelancers and choose by skill, and here I'm going to search for social media influencers and the internet marketing specialists, social media marketing specialists. So here I'm going to go with social media marketing specialists to see all the expert social media marketers in the platform. So here you will be able to see all of their profiles. You can click on see more social media marketers. So here let's change the search to social media influencers and let's click on search. So here we have this one, Mavericks, renowned marketing and branding agency, and all of those people who are doing these skills. You can see how much they're getting paid per hour, their reviews, their headline, internet marketing, Google AdWords, and you can read their description. You can see where are they from, and you can see also how much stars they've got and all of those things. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people, to showcase your skills as well, and to enter your description, your hourly rate, and that will help you get more clients when business owners come and find your profile. If they enter it, see the description, and if they find you interesting to work with, they will hire you simply. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile. So here, click on earn money freelancing. Then make sure to fill these usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my username and my password, then log in. And let's give it a few seconds. And this is where you're going to control everything about your profile. And by going to this button in your top right, you will be able to see the account settings and the finances settings. So here in the account settings, we have your profile, membership, account analytics, bid insights, settings, and here in finances, we have balance, add funds, withdraw funds, transaction history, financial dashboard, and payment sharing. And you can also see the support. If you want to invite friends, you can get your own link, and if you want to log out from your profile. So let's go up to go to view profile. We need to make some adjustments to our profile. So here, as you can see, the profile looks pretty empty. We have nothing in it. So here, click on edit profile, or first click on edit profile in order to edit these things about your profile. And before you do that, you will need first to verify your email. As you can see, please click on the link in the verification email we sent to your email to activate your account and continue posting your project. After that, make sure to enter a profile picture and a cover photo as well. No one will hire someone with no profile picture. That's very obvious. And after that, you proceed to the verifications. So here, guys, make sure to fill all of these areas, starting with preferred freelancer. Make sure to join a group of the best freelancers. As you can see, not a member of our elite group of the best freelancers. Same thing with the identity. As you can see, you need to verify your identity. Identity not verified through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Same thing with verifying your payment, not verified to have a valid payment method. And here also make sure to verify your phone number not verified, and email, we talked about it before. And if you can connect your Facebook account, that will be best, because and after you're done with these things, some will ask me why I need to do all of these things. So simply guys, by verifying all of these tasks, you will gain more credibility and trust in your profile, and by gaining more trust, it will make clients less hesitant to hire you for a job. It will prevent clients from hesitation when hiring you. They will just see that you are verified and you have a great profile, then they will hire you with their eyes shut. And after you're done with those verifications, then you proceed to add your hourly rate, and then you enter your professional headline, and then you proceed to the summary. Then you can add your skills. So let's go to skills, let's remove those. You can add up to 20 skills in here, so make sure to add the related skills that you can do. So here let's search for social media influencer, and we can't seem to find any skill related to that. Let's just stick with social media. So here we have social media marketing, so let's go with social media marketing. And then if you want to save these changes, click on save. Then you proceed to enter in your portfolio. As you can see, no portfolio items have been added yet. This also will help you get more trust. Same thing with experience, education, qualifications, and publications. Make sure to add all of these things. And when you're done with all of these changes in your profile, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browse, click on projects, and let's go down. Let's remove this. Let's remove this one, and let's click on search skills. And here let's search for social media, anything related to social media marketing. And here you will be able to see all of the listed jobs that are looking for a social media marketer. You can check the amount of money that they are paying per hour, and the description of this job. As you can see, digital growth expert. You can see the description and see the skills that are required, and if the job is fitting your profile, you can apply for it. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.